The ED is a male disorder. This male health issue is common to see with aged men or above 60 years old. Yet, many of the adult men can face ED situation due to bad lifestyle and chronic diseases. The ED is a state of the male genital shaft, which cannot hold an erection for a longer time or impotency. It is advisable to consume the herbal remedies for erectile dysfunction, if you face this problem for more than a month. A man suffering from ED can treat male impotence naturally, as ED is reversible. The booster capsules are the best natural pills to get hard fast. How to cure erectile dysfunction naturally and permanently? The herbal remedies for erectile dysfunction will give a permanent result as they contain the below mentioned herbs. Ashwagandha, with Ania somnifera. Mulethi, Glycyrrhiza glabra. Muesli saved, Hypoxis orchioides. People, Piper longum. Shankpaspike, Evolvulus alsinoides. Shud shilajit, Asphaltum punjabanum. These herbs can treat male impotence naturally, as they improve overall male genital health. The booster capsules contains these herbs in right proportion and in pure form. They work naturally and give a permanent relief from being impotent man. Pills that make you stay hard longer. The impotent men always tend to buy some instant pills to keep on hard. Yet the side effects of those pills are ED. On the other hand, the herbal remedies for erectile dysfunction do not cause any side effects. You must treat male impotence naturally to enjoy your love life naturally. The impotency for a longer duration will cause impotence permanently. In this stage, you cannot perform copulation with full insertion of your male shaft in your partner's vaginal passage. This will cause adultery, divorce, and infertility issue in the later stage. It will be better to consume the natural pills to get hard fast to make your partner satisfied while lovemaking. You can go for multiple copulations, when you consume the herbal aphrodisiac products. This will make your weak or soft male shaft to get hard on. You can hold the erection for a longer time. This will increase your shaft girth too. How to consume the herbal aphrodisiac for ED cure? A man suffering from impotency must take the herbal remedies for erectile dysfunction in a course of 12 to 16 weeks from home. The booster capsules are the natural pills to get hard fast, which you must consume daily twice with water or milk. An impotent man can treat male impotence naturally by taking this herbal capsule without any break. It is advisable to consume leafy greens, fresh fruit juice and drink plenty of water during this ED treatment at home. You must change your lifestyle, like stopping alcohol consumption, smoking, and eating junk foods. The booster capsules are the proven herbal remedies for erectile dysfunction cure from home. You can buy this herbal aphrodisiac pill online as non-prescription remedies. You can find more details about booster capsules at aherbresearch.com.